G'day everybody, it's Matt here, and today I've been looking for some good socks for walking and running that are no-show and that are quite comfortable and have a thicker protection around the back of the ankle where shoes tend to rub. So with that in mind, I've decided to try the Balega Hidden Comfort No-Show running socks, which are a unisex sock, and I've got them in the black color, although they do come in a whole bunch of others. As you can see up around the ankle here, we do have this thicker section, but otherwise they are quite a low-cut looking sock. Now I've gone with the large size, which is meant to suit a US men's 9.5 to 11.5, and I normally wear a US men's 11 in shoes, so I'm hoping that's about right. And according to the packaging, these socks have a 200 needle construction for luxurious cushioning and ultimate comfort with a seamless toe. They're a Dynamics moisture management yarn to help with keeping it dry. That luxurious cushioning, mesh ventilation, again helping with keeping it dry and breathability. That high heel tab, which I'm keen to try out, and a deep heel pocket. And these are made from 84% Dynamics polyester and 16% nylon, and they're actually made in South Africa. So let's whip these ones out and have a look. So according to the packaging here, we can wash them in warm water, we can tumble dry them on low, but don't bleach them or use fabric softener, don't iron, and don't dry clean. So that's all pretty easy and straightforward. And so this is them. So as you might have noticed on the top of these socks, there's a bit of a print there, which is just the brand, the style, and the size. So Balega Hidden Comfort, large. We do have a bit of a seam over the top of the toes there, although it is different to normal. It's like, I don't even know how, what? I'm intrigued here. So it's not actually like a seam like normal. It's kind of like a thinner section in the sock. And if you look on the inside here, it's like it doesn't have that cushion there. It is a seam, but it's not like your typical seam where you've got that all that stitching that is inside the sock there. That can sometimes be irritating. So it's gotten rid of all that. I'm not sure how they've done that, but that's pretty cool. Then on the underside of the sock, it is meant to be cushioned. It's meant to be a bit more terry cushioning in there. And right now, it doesn't look like there's a ton of cushioning, but definitely more on the top section, which is a lot thinner up here. And we've got that sort of mesh that you can kind of see through a bit there. It's definitely a thinner section. So if we look at that on the inside comparatively, we've got this lighter mesh versus this more terry fabric. And you can see it there on the side of that change. And then of course, these are a lower cut. We've got this sort of thinner, more elasticized section around the ankle, which is also fairly lightweight, more meshy for breathability. And then that high heel tab. So let's put these on and see how they feel. So that's them on. You can see this higher heel tab that's coming up at the back there that is thicker. It kind of runs actually from the ankle all the way around on me, which is nice. And they feel really quite nice on. They feel like they're breathing really well. And while I am sitting on a padded mat to try and emulate the feel of them in shoes, they do feel like when I stand on harder surfaces as well, like outside the mat, like they actually have more cushioning in them than I anticipated. It is surprising just how cushioned they feel considering how thin they are. I do like the way they've done this seam across the toe. I think that actually helps a lot with how breathable it feels because it feels like there's a decent amount of airflow coming through that. I feel like they're exactly where I would want them to sit as well for a no-show sock. So putting them on in some shoes, they're not exactly a no-show sock for me. They are sitting above the top of the shoe, but it's pretty close. I personally am quite happy with that as far as no-show goes. And being the black, which is why I went with it, it does kind of blend in a little bit more with the inside of my shoes. So that is the Balega Hidden Comfort No-Show socks in the black color and the large size. They're more cushioned than I anticipated, that's for sure. They also breathe really nicely, and I really like that heel tab that comes up a bit higher. I think they're a really nice sock, and I'm really keen to try these out properly. I hope you found this video helpful. For more information and pricing on these socks, make sure you check out the affiliate links down in the description. And of course, give this video the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Bye for now.